Is the country on the verge of a dengue outbreak? The concern following reports of an increase in the mosquito population in communities island-wide. In Portmore, the mayor of the municipality is calling on the government to ramp up vector control. Kelisha Williams reports.
Long as Portmore has been around, there has been a serious mosquito problem in the municipality due to the swampy geographic location. But according to residents, the mosquitoes have been on the decline since the start of the year. However, since the passage of tropical storms Grace and Ida,
in the evenings, well, there's a lot of mosquitoes. Well, at our time at night, you can't even stand one place to save your life. You have to be swatting and killing and clapping.
It's a situation that has caught the attention of Mayor Leon Thomas. According to Mr. Thomas, there have been dozens of reports about the increase in mosquito breeding sites in the municipality since the beginning of the month. Mr. Thomas insists he has been calling for the St. Catherine Public Health Department to conduct more fogging in Portmore.
But they are responding to us by telling us that they don't have enough manpower to deal with it. We are willing to pay the labor cost to get it done. When you look at the schedule, I think Portmore appear on the schedule about 7 times for the month. So they will be in Portmore maybe between, before the month end, there will be in Portmore about 7 to 8 times.
So with increased vegetation and over 100 communities to cover, it means communities like Portmore Pines will only be fogged once every 2 months.
It's why Mr. Thomas fears that if something is not done, there will be a serious dengue crisis in Portmore. Since the start of the year, there have been over 17 confirmed cases of dengue in the island, and Portmore is among the breeding grounds for mosquito-borne diseases like dengue and Zika. In fact, in 2016, the island's first case of the Zika virus was detected in Greater Portmore. But Chief Public Health Inspector for St. Catherine, Grayson Hutchinson, said the department has been doing the best it can with limited resources to reduce mosquito breeding sites.
The Vector Control Unit continues to undertake routine and special activities throughout the parish, including house-to-house inspection, institutional inspections, tire shop and garage inspections, general search and destroy activities, and fogging.
And we are not seeing that. We have also asked that the trained personnel from Portmore to carry out Portmore fogging. And we will pay those men that they will be training.
Kelisha Williams, TVJ News.